Right, okay. So we're leaving from here. Good morning internet. So we are leaving from here. And heading south to Thakse. Let's see how this road gonna be. I do not expect too much because this is just should be just a regular road, main street, going to Thakse. So today is just about getting really to Thakse. So my chain here is already tuck. Need some grease. It's crazy how it gets dirty so quickly here. This is really, I'm telling you, completely and utterly crazy. How fast and now I cannot put them on the center stand unless I take off the top box. Hello, good morning internet. So last night I did not make the video here. When I come here, I was tired. I took a shower, found this guest house, took a shower, and went to eat right away. I stopped here because it was already 5 o'clock in the afternoon, and to go to the Laotian Plateau, where I want to go, it's to another 2 hour and a half from here. So I stopped here. Let me show you this room now, and then we're gonna leave, and it's already 10 o'clock. We're gonna leave and we're gonna go to the Salavan Plateau. That should be beautiful. This is just a guest house, very, very cheap. It's, I believe, $7 a night, if I'm right. So nothing exceptional, but it has air conditioning, a good bed and shower, hot water. That's all what I care, and Wi-Fi. Actually, good Wi-Fi. All right, okay, let me show you the room. Okay, so this is the room. You got this nice big bed. You got a window here. You can park in the front. Bolt is just parked here. I'm gonna show you now. You got that closet there and that furniture. You got this little table, no refrigerator. You got a TV. You got air conditioning. No refrigerator, but you have many restaurants here. And this is the toilet and the bathroom. No shower. So it's okay. Very simple. Very, very, very simple. But for $7, what else you want? And this is out. Bolt is here, you see, ready to go. Oh, it looks cloudy today, but that's okay. It should not rain. And this is so very nice, very nice. For the price, it's really worth. And for one night to rest before you go up, I think is very good. All right, okay, let's go. Let's start moving and let's go. Hello, hello, hello. So again, good morning. So we did the video here for the room that I stayed, the guest house. And now we're leaving. Time to go up in the plateau.
There's no one like you, my little girl. Your eyes so blue under those brown curls. Soon you're on your way. Promise me that you know the world is yours. Strike them with your glow. Go on now, be good, be fine. Live your life, dream big, don't forget to be kind. Live, it's your life. Rocks are meant to be picked up and thrown. New ideas can be pleasantly overgrown. But you know where to go if you follow that heart. One step at a time. We all play our part. Go out now, be good, be fine. Live your life, dream big, don't forget to be kind. Live, it's your life. Go on now, chase your dreams, everything. Go on now, be good, be fine. Live your life.
And here is the Talo Lodge. And look, oh, they have even elephants here. Many bikers here. Okay guys, look at this. You want party? Here you got the party. And look at the waterfall there. I don't know if you can see that waterfall there. These people are happy here, huh? Hello guys. So we made here. I found a hotel here. Even if online it was like looking that everything was booked, no, actually I found a hotel in one of the hotel actually that I was looking, and it was saying it was all booked. But okay, anyway, it was a nice ride. It was a good ride, but nothing really so dramatic to see, nothing to show really. I think I'm gonna put two videos together in one. Thakhek to last night and last night to here, because it really is not so much to see. Let me show you this room. It's a very nice room. No air conditioning, unfortunately. No refrigerator, unfortunately. That's too big downfall. But what you want to do? I mean, that's the only that I could find. We are near the river here. I'm gonna show you out. We have a very nice little small waterfall here up here. It should be a little bit couple of things here to go look around. Some waterfall to look, and let's go see tomorrow what we're gonna go and where we go and what we look. In the meantime, let me show you one moment the room. I already took a shower because I was very hot. So let me show you the room and outside, and then I'm gonna go eat dinner. So this is the room, how you can see. It has a net, it has the ceiling fan pointing at the bed, nice. So that's nice, so we should be able to sleep good. It has two nightstands, it has this little furniture here, it has this to put your luggage, it has a small desk with a coffee maker. They put you a bottle of water cold, but now it's already warm. You have like a type of hanger here, and this is the bathroom. Very nice and big, really, the bathroom. Nice and cool and fresh, really. And then here is outside. Let me show you outside. This is the outside where we are. You see you have many cabins here all around, and there is the river, and you have a waterfall up here that we're gonna go see, and that's about. But I think we're gonna go see the waterfall tomorrow morning, in the morning early. I think it will be more nicer. And then here you have this, you see it's like a big cabin and has two rooms practically. You got your chair here to sit. So let me go eat something, and then tomorrow we see what we're gonna do. All right, okay. So look what I found. Look what I see. I cannot go more close than this. Look at this wooden bridge. But look how beautiful is this. This is going down. And look at here. Let's go here, let's go here. We should come to swim today before we leave, right? No, we don't have time. Look at this. So now it's the low season and so it's not so much water. But think when it's all the water, there is all full of water too, coming all down. Very, 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 very beautiful. This is the resort where we are. And this is the restaurant here and the reception that we go up. We're going to eat breakfast this morning. And let's see how it is. Laos. Very beautiful place. And you can see it's very nice. This is the reception. It's a table. Good morning. Yeah. Very nice. So guys, look, this is what you see from here. It's from the restaurant. You get all the things there, you can go and sit down and eat and drink. And this is, and there is where we went before to the waterfall. And this is the restaurant. Yeah. All right, okay. So we got a nice cup of coffee here. Very good. Very, 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 very good. Coffee is good. Coffee is good. It's a nice fresh breeze this morning. I think I need to put this a little bit more down. It's a nice fresh breeze this morning. You can see my head is kind of blowing a little bit. Very, very, very nice. Nice and cool. Because it was very hot when we went up there hiking this morning. I'm almost ready for another shower. And you know, we don't have air conditioning in the room, so but that's not a problem because today we leave. We're gonna be on our way to the border. I cannot make more to go to the 4,000 island. I wanted to go down. I really lost too much time in the north. So you know, the fact that I went to Luang Prabang and then I went back to Nong Khao, that made me lose 3 days, pretty much. Because when we come back, I lost 1 day in Luang Prabang because I got to stop there, of course. And when we went to Nong Khao, we could not find a hotel for 2 days longer. And so I had to stay 2 days more in Luang Prabang, waiting for the hotel, then that I could get the hotel. And so in total, we lost practically 3 days. And that's 3 days add to my 3 days that I have left over of visa now. That's 6 days. That will be enough to go to the waterfall, to the island, but I cannot. So today we're gonna drive from here to Pakseh or Muang Champek. That is going to, it's on the Mekong River, but about 2 hours from the border. And tomorrow, we're gonna cross the border. So that's the plan. We have a plan actually now. You know, my plan is always no plan. Well, we have a plan actually. The plan is go back to Thailand. Yeah, but it has been beautiful. And let's wait for this breakfast now. And I'm gonna show you the breakfast when he gets here. So guys, this is the breakfast that we have. Oh, look at the beautiful garden here. Thank you. So they give us butter, jam, half bread, plate of fruit, an omelette, scrambled egg, looks this more than anything, and the coffee. Let me tell you how everything is now. The bread is just wow, fantastic, because it's, you know, this French baguette, and they have the influence of the French here because it was a French colony, so they make good baguette here. Absolutely good. And then you have this scrambled egg. They call them omelette, I call them scrambled egg. Very good. The plate of fruit, of course, is good. The fruit is very sweet here. Very natural. So, all right, okay. Let me eat. And I don't think I'm gonna film going down because it's the same street that we did. And then one pitch to Thakhek, it's just street with lots of trucks. Nothing really. If I find something beautiful, I will take. If not, I see you at my Rex hotel. All right, okay, bye.
Oh baby, I love your madness. It's so incredibly beautiful. Oh, you shine like gold, so selfless to all, and wild like an animal. Some would say I'm insane in the right in a way, but I just love to play in your fun and your games. Always hungry for more, that's just how I was born. Take me somewhere I don't know, and give me your freedom. Whoa, you love me to pieces, yeah, I need it. Want your pandemonium, life is so easy. Whoa, you love me to pieces, yeah, I need it. Want your pandemonium. The limit of love is endless, I know. Just do what you want with me. Yeah, I want it all. Could care less the cost. I give you my everything. Some would say I'm insane in the right in a way, but I just love to play in your fun and your games. Always hungry for more, that's just how I was born. Take me somewhere I don't know, and give me your freedom. Whoa, you love me to pieces, yeah, I need it. Want your pandemonium, life is so easy. Whoa, you love me to pieces, yeah, I need it. Want your pandemonium. And give me your freedom. to pieces. Yeah, I need it. Won't you bend